Hello and welcome to a little annoyed version of me because I just now started charging the GoPro back up like less than 2 minutes ago, and I just now got a Duino response to my email, which is, of course quite surprising, but second transfer funds. Dang it, that was it! Like I just found out here, it was Duino now verified account. Hello Duino client support. Cox owners problem. Well, yeah, I guess I'll read this. Verified. Okay. But look, hello Duino coin. 1 second, can you read this? Yeah. Hello Duino coin support. I am contacting you regarding I'm selling. I hope you can help. I am the owner of 7 Duino accounts. Usernames below. Problems. I have many others. I don't really read or other things of that sort. So I didn't know that you can't. So after I made another account for holding funds, and only that I got a message that you thought that was for mining. I mean, and now I'm here today. I ask to be deactivated or redo it. Like what I won't get them. You have screenshots. So, okay. And I said hello after several counts is not allowed. Anyway, issues solved now. And I got, oh yeah, this was the confusing thing. I got an error while trying to send between Gooseplay Plotter 0 and Gooseplay Plotter, and they said, hey there, and then they said alt accounts are not allowed, but the other person did let me have 2 accounts. So that was the screw up that really annoyed me. But if I go back here and I click this, awesome exclamation mark, comma, thanks. Just making sure, comma, both of those accounts are now deactivated and liquidized, or whatever you do with rule breaking accounts. And I am free to create a single account that won't be getting any of those previous errors I've had issues with. Okay. So just said that. Hopefully. I wonder if I should have removed that. Okay, well, need to get a, I really want a confirmation that they got it, but I don't know when I'll be getting that, so might be, one second, might be a bit, so might have to stop this video now. Yeah. Okay, I'm not getting a confirmation. Oh, well, it does that. Okay, that's nice. Well, I guess I'll stop you for now, and I'll make a short update if I do get a confirmation that they received that. Hopefully they did, because this is an error I've had twice now. But thank you for watching, and